Welcome back to Tim Talks. Today we are making 90-second microwave almond flour buns. Well, I'm actually just going to make one. I'm going to show you how to make this really quick. An excellent little recipe. You know, on the keto diet, one of the things that I miss the most is bread made with refined wheat flour. And this is actually a really good substitute, for example, on an afternoon when you need a really quick sandwich, like, for example, of my delicious tofu burger. Check my channel out for that recipe. Anyway, you'll see this is quick to make, it's easy, and it's pretty good tasting, I think. Anyway, what we're going to start off with here, I've got 3 tablespoons of blanched almond flour. This is pretty finely ground. You can use other almond flour, but if you're going to replace this with coconut flour, you're going to want to change the proportions a little bit. And I suggest you just Google it or use the search bar on YouTube and find another recipe. Maybe I'll make a video myself. Anyway, for right now, I'm going to start with this. 3 tablespoons of almond flour. I'm going to put a pinch of salt, this is kosher salt, in that. And I'm going to then add a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Give it a good stir. I'm going to get these incorporated. We don't have to be a fanatic about it, of course. This is not at all delicate. But we want to get it nice and incorporated so that the leavening is distributed throughout as much as possible. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You could add any kind of oil you like. You could add coconut oil. You could add a tablespoon of ghee, tablespoon of butter. All those will work. I'm eyeballing that. That looks like about a tablespoon to me. A little more, a little less. And then finally, I'm going to finish up by using a whole large egg, which I'm going to beat lightly before I put in there. I'm also going to break it into this little bowl to make sure I don't get any eggshell into my batter. Break it up a little bit there. And in it goes. And here we just want to incorporate the ingredients. Nothing to it. Make sure you give it a really good, thorough stir here. You don't want streaks of egg white or streaks of the yolk of the egg on their own. They'll be fine if they're there, don't get me wrong. It's just going to be less elegant in your little bun. And I'm going to scrape it down to make sure you get it off the side. You don't have to do that, just a little finishing touch here. And now it's time to bake it in the microwave oven for 90 seconds. Here we go. Buzzer just went off. Let's check it out. There we go. Never sticks to the sides. Check it out. I just dump it out onto the board. Now, yes, it's not a perfect shape. It's not, and it's, you're going to see a little spongy. That's what we're going to end up with. It's kind of the compromise you have to live with. But to make it into a bun, I just slice it in half. And there we have it. See, it's nice, very bready. Has a spongy sort of a texture. It's going to have a little bit of an eggy flavor. In fact, let's have a little taste. I'm going to put some nice butter on it and have a taste right here. Oh, lovely. Very nice and really not eggy. I think it's definitely worth giving a try to. And anyway, I hope you do try it and that you'll enjoy it and comment on it. Thanks for watching on Tim Talks today.